Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can find movies through selecting genres in Netflix. So to do that, you're just going to select movies here. You can also do this for TV shows, I think. And then you are going to scroll up until you find genres here. So select genres and select the genre you want to watch. There's a lot, from action up to thriller, and then you're just going to select the genre you want. I'm just going to choose, for instance, let's say sci-fi, so I'm just going to select that, and it's going to show movies that are in that specific genre. So yeah, that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!